Make sure to stay till the end. Let me show you how that thing can easily make you sick, guys. You think I'm joking? Check this thing out. Okay, that thing right here can give you headaches, can give you sore throat, it can make you sick because of a part that costs only a few dollars and most people will never replace it on time. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video, guys, to any of you that want to know how often to replace cabin air filter on BMW 3 Series Generation F30 F31. This is the 3 Series from year 2012 to year 2018. I guarantee you that 95% of the people will replace it late and you will pay with your health. What do I mean? I mean that if that filter is not replaced on time, it can give you headaches, it can make your throat sore, you can experience sore throat on long trips, and you may develop other symptoms like allergies like allergies to mold and things like that. We'll explain why. Make sure to stay until the end and we'll cover all that today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Specifically on this BMW, we'll have even more. Why? Because our mission in the shop here, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys want to buy parts, tools, anything for your BMW or any car, and you want to get them at a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So how often you're supposed to replace your cabin air filter, guys? Now, most people will not replace it on time, okay, that's clear. And on this BMW, check this thing out. I want to zoom in a little bit. I want to show you. It's wet, it gets mold, look on the inside, okay, all that stuff trapped, allergies, mold, everything here, guys, will make you eventually sick. Your cabin will smell funny, it will smell dirty, and as a result, guys, okay, it will make you sick as well, or it will give you really bad smell in your vehicles, or both at the same time. So what we usually do for most vehicles nowadays, guys, it's recommended to replace them, okay? And before we share how often, you need to use special filter, and we'll explain why and which one. But you're supposed to replace it every 12,000 miles or 1 year, whichever comes first. And if you live in a big city with big city driving or dirt roads, you need to replace it even more often. Why? Because it will be exposed to more pollutants. So this filter that we use here, okay, check this thing out. It comes with 4 different layers. The first layer is known as the particulate layer. The second and third layer are activated charcoal plus baking soda, and it traps mold and harmful gas, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and all that stuff. And number 4, it's the antibacterial technology, guys. So this is one of the best filters. So let's go ahead, pull it out and see what we have here, okay, on that BMW. So filters coming out, right? Okay, we'll need to vacuum later, that's how bad it is. Let's get it out, not shake it too much, okay? We're going to get it here to that box, and I want to show you what's on the inside, how dark it is. This is because it's exposed to that city driving and gases, and you can see on the inside pet hair and all kind of stuff, okay? That will make you severely sick, guys, if not changed on time. On the other side, it will be a little bit better. That's on the side that goes towards the cabin, but all that is already trapped there, so you keep breathing that, okay, through your vents, and it can make you sick, and it can make your car smell really bad as well. So you can see, guys, cabin air filter, okay, check out the difference in colors as well. Let's put this one, check this thing out. It's supposed to be replaced 12,000 miles or 1 year, and if you live in bigger cities with more city driving or out in the country with dirt roads, you need to replace it even more often. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching, see you next time.